This is Falls Park on the Reedy River, Creek. Let's go explore and see what's here. The sound of bubbling water, it's so peaceful. Got some mighty beautiful flowers going on here. It helps when you're in an area that gets plenty of rain. Oh, I like that purple back there. Purple's my favorite. And over here's a lot more purple. Not a clue what you call those things. Oh, there's a big old bumblebee on there. Can you see him? Right there, maybe in the middle of the screen. This is a mighty interesting sculptor, piece of art. I don't know what it's all about. Celebrating the life and legacy of Harriet Smith Wachi. Sorry, ma'am, I don't know how to pronounce your last name. I wonder if that's glass or plastic. Let me go and touch it. Can I touch it? Nah, I better not. I'd have to crawl over. My arms aren't long enough. That sure looks like glass. Got a bridge here going over a stream. I'm looking for waterfalls though. There's supposed to be waterfalls here someplace. Let me see which way the water's flowing and then trace it back upstream to find the falls. Or downstream. Well, okay. There's a little flow going on right there. And it's coming from that direction. Maybe if I can zoom in on Google Maps, it'll give me some idea of whether I go upstream or downstream to find the waterfalls. I passed 3 couples back there and I asked them, don't know where the falls are? They're all from out of town searching for the falls the same as I am. But I checked on Google Maps. I'm supposed to be going in the right direction. After that much driving, it's good to get good. It's good to get a little exercise. Okay, officially that's where I'm at. Still looking for the falls. Stay on designated walkways. Aha! I think I'm getting close. Looks like some mountain goats have already cleared a path that way. A little too steep for this old goat. Looks like I'm getting closer. I found a pathway rather than just a parking lot. It's beautiful down here though. It's in the lower 90s Fahrenheit right now. Okay, where's the falls? I think I'm hearing them. The aroma coming off these flowers is pleasantly overwhelming. Touchstone House. That goes back a ways, built between 1894 and 1896. Looks like I found another bridge. We'll cross another bridge, and that sound of that waterfall is getting louder. So it's got to be here somewhere. I see it, I see it, I see it. Let's go over the bridge here. Get some video from up here, and then find the path to go down there. Get a little closer look. Oh, it's right through there. Wow, that's quite a bit of water flowing. Oh man. People down there wading in the water. Oh, this is so cool. Thank you, little sister, for telling me about this. Wow. How awesome is that? Like I said earlier, I like the sound of water. A lot of water. Let's see what it looks like on the other side of the bridge here. I feel way overdressed for this place. I should have swim trunks on already. Yeah, it's calmer on this side. Grab a little iPhone footage here. I think the colors are more vivid on the iPhone. I don't understand the mathematics of this. Looking here at the suspension bridge cables, it appears to be only suspended on one side. Exactly how do they do that? But it is a little bit wobbly. Following it down to this end, it is well secured. But I want you to look at that. Whoa, bump. That's a lot of cables twisted together. Okay, let's move around here. That's not going anyplace. It's definitely anchored. A saxophone entrepreneur just set up his music and began playing some mellow tunes. This is underneath that bridge. Oh look, there's suspension of the lower cables that are attached down there. And these are the same thing. They're wound up and bound tight cables. Okay, cool. They just hold this and then they have those arch supports going all the way across. Inquiring minds, mine, wanted to know. Now I'm upstream from the waterfalls. I'm going to overlook the waterfalls. And eventually I'm going to make my way down to the waterfalls. I guess I wish I'd worn my footboots. I think I'll sit here and swing a minute. Oh, there's some patos, los patos. I'll continue this in a minute. I might take a little snooze. That was a nice little break, but let's continue our walking tour of the falls on the Reedy River Creek, something like that. It's the Reedy. Quite an interesting design to building. I don't know what that is. Maybe I'll look it up later and put it in the video.
I'm not going out.
A lot of people having fun here. What time is it? It's about 1:30, 2:30. Oh, it's 4:40 p.m. on a Monday. There's the saxophone player belting out melodic notes. Professionals at work. Amateurs filming professionals. They're setting up to do something out here. It's like a stage. Maybe they're going to have a play of some. Maybe it's Macbeth. Merry Wives of Windsor. I've heard of Macbeth, but I hadn't heard of that other one. I don't know if we'll get a view of the falls from here or not. There's those professionals. Oh, see it right through the trees there. That tree is refusing to give up. Look at that roots. I've seen a lot of root systems, but nothing quite like that. It's a big, massive tree. It looks like to the right there's another tree sprouted off the roots growing up. Wow. I think that's all I got for you on this video. I haven't the foggiest idea what I'm going to do next, but stay tuned. We'll figure it out.